The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty is excited to show you this cozy 3-bedroom, 1-bath ranch with a lot more room than you'd expect. Take a look.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty, and this is my teammate Tracy Cox.
Hello.
And today we are going to take you on a tour of 705 Vine Street in Gassville, Arkansas. Let's go inside. Okay, come on in. Tracy, check out this cute little living room.
I know, it's so cozy looking.
It is. You have a nice front porch just right here, so you can go out the front door and enjoy your coffee in the mornings.
I like the big window.
I do too. Lets in a lot of natural light.
Yes, it does.
And I like that it's open to the dining room area here.
Mm-hmm.
You could fit a pretty good sized table here.
Very user-friendly.
Yeah. New light fixtures and new countertops. These are beautiful. And the sellers just repainted all of the cabinets in here. Really makes it nice and bright. And all of the appliances are staying. The dishwasher, nice gas range, an oven, microwave, and the refrigerator, which I really like the fridge.
The gas stove is nice too.
It is.
I love those.
You have natural gas and city utilities. Oh, that's handy. You have all of your measuring tools just right there handy.
You don't have to dig through drawers to find them.
And then just right off of the dining room, we have the laundry room area. And here's a really nice sized laundry room. And the washer and dryer is staying. And then here you can put in more countertops and have a fold-in table. There's plenty of space in here.
Yes, most small houses you don't have near the space of this in a laundry room. It's usually just a little tucked away space, just enough for the washer and dryer, but you've got plenty of room in here. It also leads to outside in the carport. This is the first bedroom that we come to.
Oh, this is a nice size. Very pretty. Lets in a lot of natural light. This is a really nice sized bedroom.
Just what you need. Room for a bed, dresser, and nightstand.
There you go.
And right off the hall here is the bathroom. It's nice and cute. I love the cabinetry. I love the cabinetry and the countertops that go along. I love the wood finishes. Got everything you need. Shower, tub combo. Just a cute little countertop space here.
And the next guest bedroom, which I love, it's a really nice setup in here. You have plenty of space. They've kind of made it into their office library area. And then I thought this was a really neat idea that they turned, their closet into a place to hold their bikes. So you have plenty of options here. You can always change it back into a bedroom too. And then Tracy is going to take you into the master bedroom.
Right through here. And pretty much just, the same as the others. Nice little space to lay your head down and sleep, read a book.
I like that they did an accent wall on one side.
Yes, those are pretty popular there.
The extras keep coming with this home. A covered porch, carport, plenty of parking with plenty of room for a boat or RV. And to top it all off, a spacious storage building just outside. To find out more about this beautiful home or to schedule a showing, go to enjoytheozarks.com. On Google or Facebook, search for the Ozarks team. The Ozarks team, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.